So, hi guys, and welcome to another video of bedtime coding. But just to say, I have a really big thank you to all the viewers because we just smashed 1,000 views.
In one of the videos?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's pretty exciting for starter in YouTubers.
So you should keep doing this.
Yeah.
Good. So this is another special episode in this season, maybe the last one. But this will last till the end of this season. You've learned about 10 episodes, I think, about the data types, about the loops and lists and all those things. So I think it's time you can start to make a small, easy game. So I explained to you what is a mud style. So it's like
just like
text.
5 seconds ago.
So it's just a text. It's old school game. When I was a kid, I played that a lot. That's where I start coding. So with Python, with the knowledge you have, I think you can start to make a small text-based game. So I know you know those backroom stuff, and so we want to make a backroom escape game to as a start. Yeah. So first of all, this episode we just need to design the game a little bit, have some discussion around what we want to do, and then tomorrow I think we are on holiday, so tomorrow you have the whole day. I'll help you to make the game. Yeah. So first we have 3 difficulties. Easy, normal, hard. That's straightforward. The character, you will wake up in a random room in the back rooms. Yeah. We don't care which level you can. That's your thing. You can design.
Wake up's more like no clip,
Yeah, no clip in the room. Right. Whichever the level it is, or do we want to introduce level? That's up to you. We can discuss more tomorrow. And then in each of the room, you have different numbers of exits.
Maybe the room's yellow with buzz flickered light, maximum buzz flickered light, and
Is that level
moldy.
0?
What?
Is that level 0?
I think so.
Yeah.
And the carpet's moldy.
So
Moldy
those are description of the rooms. You can put that in the game. So whenever someone enters that room, you can put a description text on the screen. Say, you are in this room. The room looks like whatever, blah blah blah. So tomorrow you have the whole day to do your research. You can grab all the text from online. From I think there's a backroom fan website. There are a lot of descriptions. There are a lot of information on there. We can grab those information from there to make the game. So next in the room, basically randomly you will encounter MFRs, so like monsters basically. It's random. Maybe there's if you're lucky enough, the rooms are all safe. If you're not lucky, you meet a very scary monster and you die straight away. Yeah. So those are random.
I'm already sort of thinking of a plan, like maybe where you wake up, where you no clip into the back rooms, then the first thing you do is explore around. After pressing the typing navigate 10 times, if you do anything else, you die. Like nothing happened and you have to do the 10 navigations again. That's gonna be like maybe a hint, and then if they do 10 navigations, and then it's gonna say like you hear voice. It says how you sort of hear whispery voice. Should you follow it or not?
Yeah, those are very good game stories. Yeah.
But if you follow it, it's actually a monster trying to take a human and die.
Yeah. So don't give too much information here, because we may ask mommy to play it when we finish the game and see how she reacts again. Yeah. So we don't want to expose too much of our ideas now. let's get a secret project tomorrow and then do it. So different MFRs will do different numbers of damage to you. You have set the number of sanity like HP, so different difficulty you get different numbers of HP. So maybe in the hard mode you just have very little HP, you get one hit you die, right? Something like that. But that's something we need to discuss tomorrow. And there will be an exit that makes you win the game because you escape the back rooms and then you win.
Well, the last level is you can already get lost in the last level, which is the museum. Since there's so much levels, all these levels, the museum has a dictionary for each monster.
Yeah, we don't need to make it so. So for the start, we don't need to make it so complex. It can be very simple at the start, and then we just need to finish all those rules designs, and then that's good enough. Because this will not be a game we just do it once and forget about it. It's gonna be a game you keep improve it, build up on top of it, where you learn more and more coding skills. Okay, so of course if you lose all the sanity, you die, then the game over. Not die, it's like you lost forever in there. Yeah.
No, if you lose all sanity, maybe
you become there for MFR.
Yeah, maybe you just get you just lose control of your mind.
Yeah, so that's game over. Yeah. Okay, so those are the designs, and then I think tomorrow I'll help you start, give you some ideas how we can do this. So make this as a when you start any coding project, how you gonna start it, how you gonna plan your thing, and all those stuff I teach you tomorrow. Yeah. Cool. Okay to go to sleep.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you want to say? Stay tuned for the next episode.
And I hope you're enjoying our content. So usually viewers enjoy our content. So hope if you find this helpful, please like or just subscribe or at least like.
Thank you.
Bye. Or just watch it to the end.
Bye.